It's our second day here in Taiwan and it's another chill day. I know, nagtataka kayo bakit puro kami chill day. Well, hindi naman namin sinasadya. Nagkataon lang na grabe yung ulan kaya wala kaming masyadong activity. Ngayon din sana kami pupunta sa Taipei 101 Observatory kaso walang clearing dahil sobrang cloudy. So ayun na nga, we started our day in the Red House. Nagpa-picture lang kami ng konti then pumasok. Marami palang shops, boutiques at stores sa loob. Meron din siyang second floor pero di na kami umakyat. After the Red House, we took the MRT going to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Nagpa-picture kami sa Arch, National Theater at Concert Hall. I don't know which is which dahil sobrang identical nilang dalawa. Inakyat din namin si Chiang Kai-shek. Wala lang, share ko lang. Basta ang dami naming pictures dito guys. Hindi rin naman i-upload. After that, nagutom kami. Dito kami kumain sa Hangzhou Xiaolongbao. Nasa likod lang talaga siya ng Memorial Hall. This is a Michelin Babe Gourmand soup and dumpling spot here in Taiwan. Promise, you should never miss their Xiaolongbao. Actually, hindi kami nagpakabusog dito dahil mag-food trip ulit kami sa Ximending. So, sumakay ulit kami ng MRT, baba sa Ximending, and naabutan namin si Kuyang nagpa-perform kahit na umambon. Hindi na namin tinapos dahil dito kami papunta sa Wan Yan Building. This might just be an old building pero sa baba nito is another famous Michelin Babe Gourmand noodle shop here in Ximending. This is Lao Shandong. We ordered their homemade beef noodles na large at sobrang laki ng serving. We also ordered their pork dumplings. Actually, walang katapusang dim sum dito sa Taiwan pero masarap. And yung broth ng beef noodles, grabe, super worth it. Pagkatapos nito, explore lang sa Ximending and suddenly, may nakita kaming store na pinipilahan. We got curious and it turns out to be the viral crispy milk donut. Sabi nga nila, there's always room for dessert. So, pumila din kami. For me, crispy naman siya, the taste was okay but nothing exceptional. Malapit lang din sa store ang Tianhu Temple. Pumasok kami at sobrang na-appreciate namin ang intricate wood carvings, dragon pillars, painted ceilings, and lanterns. Then, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami around Ximending sa mga flagship stores if ever may matipuhan. Merong Under Armour, Nike, Adidas, at marami pang iba. For our final meal tonight, dito kami kumain sa pinipilahan ni Tian Tian Li. Sikat dito ang kanilang braised pork and oyster omelette. Sobrang nasarapan ako sa kanilang braised pork rice. Nung pauwi na kami, may nadaanan ulit kami nagpo-perform. But to end our night, dumaan muna kami sa ABC Mart Grand Stage dahil naka-sale sila. Nasa isang building lang sila ng Mala Hotpot. Ganun pa rin, tingin-tingin if may bet na shoes but so far wala pa akong nakita na may spark. So that's it for our day 2 here in Taiwan. Super chill lang but super busog. Next up, our North Coast tour.